Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvette and I am part of the Kendra's Card Challenge design team. Thank you so much for joining our KCC 14 collaboration hop featuring our super sponsor, Gina K Designs. Our team will be showcasing some of their amazing products with Kendra's Card Challenge number 14. Now to follow along, check the description box below and I'll have a link to a playlist for today's hop. Now today's hop is a giveaway opportunity and you can win a digital giveaway prize from Cards by Kendra. So when you finish the hop, make sure you fill out the form that is also in the description box below. The winner will be randomly chosen and announced on the Cards by Kendra community tab. Our super sponsor, Gina K Designs, gave members of the design team several goodies to play with. And I'll be using the Sunshine and Rainbows stamp set as well as the coordinating dies. Now, as you know, I will be sticking to card sketch number 9 from Kendra's Card Challenge number 14 for all of our super sponsor hops so that I can compare them all at the end of the quarter. Okay, so I have all my pieces cut and stamped and colored and ready to assemble this card. So let's get started. Now, I just grabbed some pattern paper from my stash, and then on the 1/2 inch strips, I used, let me show you, these small images, the little hearts and the little raindrops, and I stamped and heat embossed them in gold. So I'm going to use those, and I'm going to use this shiny gold cardstock as a matte layer. And then what I did is I stamped these images and I just ink blended these so I didn't have to color them. And let me show you, I used my Gina K inks. I have all these beautiful colors, and so that's what I did for my rainbow. I used Passionate Pink, and then for my orange I used Tangerine Twist. For the yellow and the heart, I used a combination of Wild Dandelion and Tangerine Twist. For my clouds, I used a combination of Powder Blue and Tranquil Teal. I also used the Tranquil Teal on the rainbow and Wild Lilac on the rainbow. So I used my Gina K inks, which I absolutely love. As I make my card, let me tell you a little bit about Kendra's Card Challenge. Kendra's Card Challenge is a quarterly challenge open to card makers worldwide in which you can make 15 unique cards using only 6 sheets of 6x6 patterned paper. Kendra does an amazing job of making an easy to follow sketch and cutting guide, which is free to download. You can enter to win some amazing prizes from our wonderful sponsors by simply entering a photo of your 15 cards in Kendra's Facebook group. You can enter 3 times each quarter. So for this quarter, you could have entered one set of 15 cards in April. You can enter a second set of 15 cards in May and a third set of 15 cards in June. That gives you 3 chances to win some great prizes. All the details on how to download the sketch and how to enter the challenge are linked in the description box below, as well as links to the goodies that I am playing with today. And there you have my completed card using these beautiful images from Gina K Designs and card sketch number 9 from Kendra's Card Challenge 14. I hope you'll play along with Kendra's Card Challenge for more chances to win fabulous prizes. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.